Oh, it's stuck. Oh no. I think I have to go help him. I don't know how. This is slippery. I think we better just take off this one, then we can just yeah.
Who wanted them as I be?
I think we better just move this one so you can just walk up. Huh? Oh, okay. Thank you. Good. Oh no, another one. Oh no, that's my neighborhood. Poor. This is a cul-de-sac, and now everybody have to shovel their own driveway so their car can get in. It's crazy. It's my children just having fun. Hi guys, that's the reality life here in Canada, guys. You're silly kid. Hey, King Jethro. Ah, that's fun, Kuya.
Okay.
You're good? Yeah. Yay, Mariah! So guys, we have 4 seasons here in Canada. We have winter, spring, summer, and fall. But if you choose to live in Alberta, we have a longer winter, like this kind of weather. Sometimes snowstorm between like 6 to 7 to 8 months. Uh-oh. Just my backyard, guys. Hey guys, are you having fun? Keep going, guys. Let's go. We're just going in our backyard. They want to play in the backyard. Good job, Mariah. Yes, I will. Hiking Jethro. We have a snowy storm and it's 40 centimeters here in Calgary. So yesterday is very cold. It's minus 18. Now this morning is minus 16. Now today in the evening is plus 1. So that's how the weather here in Calgary. I love Calgary anyway. Let's go inside. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, Mariah. Why not? You want to play?
Mommy,
Yeah.
if you do this, your hand will get warm.
I'm with my son again. Hey. Hey son, what will you say about immigrants who wants to come and move here in Canada? Can you say something about them? Look at the camera.
Never ever come here
They always say that never ever come here. Why you said that?
because maybe you're from a very hot place and you only get the short clothes, and when it's winter you come here, it's very cold for you.
No, they're okay. We have a winter clothes. You see that?
Yeah,
We're good. And you
but
guys,
need to buy
you
some.
guys have fun, right? Anyway, guys, thank you for watching again, and I'll see you for my next video. Take care, guys, and happy holidays. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.